Welcome to Tatooine, X2. I am Feroda, the Jedi General in charge of this Republic battalion. You'll be helping your brother, X1, train the latest batch of clones in the art of galactic warfare. Please, follow me.
What kept you, little brother? Let's get started on the reorientation of these clones. Listen up, squad. X2 will now shoot the training targets. Watch and learn. Nice shooting, brother. I'm proud of you. Now follow me. Now for some heavy weapons training. X2, take these grenades and turn those deactivated droids into spare parts. You're not finished cleaning up yet, X2. Blitz the tank with this missile launcher. Way to go, brother. Now that's firepower. Proceed with me to the next training zone. Don't underestimate melee weapons in the hands of an expert like X2. Take this, little brother, and swing away. Use the block maneuver against light attacks. If your enemy is blocking all your attacks, use a heavy attack to smash your way through his defense. But watch out, a heavy strike leaves you vulnerable to counterattacks. Top of my class back on Camino. Taught the kid everything he knows. Not bad, X2. Looks like you've been practicing.
That's a CIS recon droid. We must destroy it before it reports back with our location. Take this laser and shoot it, X2.
Nice work, brother. That's one less CIS droid cluttering up the galaxy. Looks like that droid was the vanguard of an entire recon patrol. Jump in that AT-RT walker and take him down.
Idea of them gathering intelligence on our operations. That's the last of the recon droid. Great job, little brother. Those droids must be dispatched from a transport ship nearby. Regroup at the hangar, X2. It's time to show off your flying skills.
Now jump into a starfighter and bring down that enemy transport.
droids must be dispatched from a transport ship near... Bye. Regroup at the hangar X2. It's time to show off your flying skills.
Now jump into a starfighter and bring down that enemy transport.
Transport is escaping. Follow that ship into space and blast it to pieces.
Enemy starfighters, watch out, X2. But remember, your objective is still the transport. Great shooting, X2.
You've turned this trooper reorientation into a masterclass. Now, return to base. Well done, X2. But I fear we are in the midst of a full-scale invasion. Time to rally our defenses.